Hello everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you're all doing great, and it's almost Easter, and I was thinking we do a lot of scones on this channel, a lot of flavours. What would be a good Easter scone? You know, in case you're having friends round for parties and stuff, and I thought like a zesty kind of flavour, so I'm going to do chocolate orange scones. So should we get to it and hit that jingle? So for this we're going to need the usual stuff to make scones, like butter, flour, baking powder, and caster sugar or fine sugar, depending on what part of the world you come from. But also we've got un orange, which comes from the old Frank word, and we've got some lovely milk chocolate chips, which I may or may not have started eating already. So let's get mixing. So we're going to start off with the flour as usual, 350 grams of white powder, not cocaine. Oh, you don't want to be making cocaine scones, do you? We've got baking powder. Is there I might just chuck it all in because it looks like it's a teaspoon. And it doesn't matter if they rise a bit more, does it? Right. We've got, oh, my sugar's very lumpy, but we want 3 tablespoons of sugar without lumps. 1, 2, 3. Then we have 85 grams of butter. Oh, very melted because it's a warm day. I'll have to get the old vest top on when I go for a run. Right, and then we've got to make this into breadcrumbs by getting your fingers in there. Yeah, love it. Therapeutic, isn't it? Hang on, I've got a large lump of sugar. Look at that. We don't need that in there, do we? Join me in a couple of seconds. Right, so now that's all breadcrumbed, we're going to add la chocolat. Oh, look at that. Just mix them in a bit. And don't be afraid to eat any leftovers. But I'm going to sit the old bag in. Oh yeah, look at all those chocolate bits. Lovely. Right. Now we've just got to add the wet stuff. First of all, you want to get your orange and put a bit of zest into it. Never comes. Always sticks to the back of the thing, doesn't it? Look. Oh, so we want to get all the goodness into the bowl, and then you want your squeezer. Just going to get the squeezer in. I need a sharp knife. Have I got a sharp knife? No. Slice the orange in half. Oh, look at that. There's nothing better. Oh, and then you want to give it a good squeeze on your squeezer. Do they still do those electrical squeezers? You know, like in the Superman film when he gets his fingers caught. Yum! Go! And then you want to tip the orange juice into there, like that. What a mess. But that's not all. We need to get some milk in there as well. So now you want 175 millilitres of milk, but don't just throw it in. Add a bit at a time, because with the orange juice, it's going to make it a little bit wetter, so you might not need it all. So you just want to stir in that until it all starts to come together. Bit more, and then you can have the rest on your cornflakes. Let me know in the comments what your favourite breakfast cereal is. I might do a video. Go. Lovely. So there we have it, look, I think that's the right viscosity. Oh, you can smell the orange already. Oh. Let's get shaping. Right, so before we do anything else, we're going to grease the tray up. A bit of butter. Got that. There we go. Lovely and greased. So just move that to one side for now, while we get the dough, flour down so it doesn't stick, and also get it on your hands so you look like a Victorian gentleman. What did they used to whiten their face with? It weren't flour, was it? Because that's just silly. The dough on there. That. And a bit of flour on my rolling pin, which does not look sexual at all. And then we roll it. We want to roll it to about 1 inch thickness. Is it just me, or does the dough look a different colour because of the orange juice as well? It's a lot of chocolate chips in there, but these are going to be lovely. It's a nice Easter get together. Oh, look at that. So you want a bit that thick. Look. I think it should make around 10. So, right. So there we go. Look, I made 11. We've just got to preheat the oven to 180 fan assisted. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. It's just your basic temperature. Anyway, so while they're in the oven, I'm going to clean this mess up, and the next time you'll see them, they'll be lovely, won't they? Oh, such a messy child. So here they are, look. Oh. That one's gone a bit weird on the end. It's a mushroom shape. Oh. Ooh. Let's plate them up. Let them cool down before I eat them. Otherwise I'll burn my mouth out. But the chocolate chips haven't melted on this outside. They've kind of stayed in shape as well. Can't wait to try them. Oh, look at how good they are. I can't wait. Let's cut one open and have a look inside. I'll have this one. We're going slicing. Oh, look how light and soft they are. Oh, you see the chocolate, look. The chocolate is still melted inside. Let's get some butter on and taste these. Look at that, look. Oh, so soft and delicate. Just like me. So here it is. Oh, chocolate orange scones. Oh, the orange is really coming through. Because I was thinking about using orange extract, but no, we're having the real juicy orange. Oh my, oh, the crispiness at the bottom. The zest of the orange and then that sweetness of the chocolate. What's not to like? Wow. They are amazing. So there we have it. Some nice zesty scones for your Easter parties. Let me know in the comments your thoughts if you're going to try them out yourself, and let me know what other flavour combinations you want me to put into a scone and shove in my face. I was thinking maybe doing a savoury rather than a sweet next time, doing bacon and cheese ones. Let me know if you want to see that, and I will see you on the next one. Take care of yourselves, stay safe out there. Cheery bye, Dan Club.